Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video on the best sprays for eliminating cockroaches. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with HIT Crawling Insect Killer Cockroach Killer Spray. If you're looking for the best spray that works to eliminate cockroaches, you should consider this particular cockroach spray. It instantly kills roaches and other pests that come into contact with it. It takes only about 3 seconds for the spray to kill cockroaches, safeguarding against diseases they spread that can make you sick. Moreover, the design of this spray features a deep reach nozzle, ensuring the contents reach the most remote cockroach hiding places, such as cracks and crevices. You can apply the spray in other locations, such as inside cabinets, on corners, below the fridge, and inside the sink pipe. It also releases a fresh fragrance, eliminating the possibility of discomfort. Raid Max Ant and Roach Spray. This spray kills roaches on contact, and its effect is long-lasting, continuing to kill these bugs for a period of up to 6 months. Besides killing roaches, this spray can eliminate other bugs such as ants, silverfish, spiders, water bugs, and the multicolored Asian lady beetles. The design of this spray allows it to easily cover a large area or reach hard-to-reach places, including crevices and cracks around baseboards. You should reapply the spray every 6 months to maintain its effectiveness on most surfaces. However, if you apply it to plywood surfaces, reapply it every 4 weeks. Ortho Home Defense Max Insect Killer for Indoor and Perimeter 1 with Comfort Wand. Unlike the first 2 sprays for eliminating cockroaches we discussed, this one is available in a larger container of 1.1 gallons. Apart from cockroaches, it can exterminate other home-invading pests such as spiders and fleas. Also, it is very versatile as you can use it indoors and outdoors. Therefore, you can spray it in your kitchen, bathroom, and around doors and windows. It is also excellent because its lasting effect keeps bugs out for up to 1 year. This applies to roaches and other insects, and when you spray it indoors on non-porous surfaces. Another great feature of this cockroach killing spray is that it is odor-free and does not stain surfaces. Which is the best? HIT Crawling Insect Killer Cockroach Killer Spray is the best spray for eliminating cockroaches because it can kill them within a few seconds. This spray is also great because it delivers a pleasant, fresh fragrance, so you will not experience discomfort during and after its application. It is also the best spray for eliminating cockroaches as it can deliver its content to hard-to-reach cracks and crevices. Thanks for watching.